Simply Nature Sciences is a holistic health therapy based on nature's principles of natural living and eating. Natural foods, identified as source, are foods that possess within them the properties and abilities to help our body unlock and release healing, health, and vitality back into our lives. Holistic Solutions from Simply Nature Sciences is about nurturing and enhancing our bodily functions in 3 easy and simple steps. Step 1. Elimination of toxins. Cleanse. Cleanse is a perfect daily combination of soluble and insoluble fibers. 90% of illnesses originate from our colons, where our waste collects. Hence, we need to cleanse our colon daily. Cleanse is a unique formula only and is fortified with chlorophyll to enhance the detoxification of our bodies. Step 2 and 3. Nourishing and rebalancing the body. Cryptomonadellis, the nutritionally complete food made from pure Cryptomonadellis, a unique species of algae produced by more than 30 years of research done by Professor Wang Shunde, the world's foremost researcher in algae culture. It is also backed by strong clinical references from the Taiwan government's National Health Research Institute, or NHRI, to be effective in the treatment of diabetes mellitus and high blood fat. Dr. Su Yizhen, Director of Clinical Research, NHRI, and Taiwan's official government representative to the World Health Organization's World Conference at SARS 2003, announced on national TV news on November 2, 2002, conclusive positive results of Cryptomonadellis' effectiveness in lowering blood sugar levels and blood fat in diabetes patients. The key active component of Cryptomonadellis is PPARs, peroxisome proliferator activated receptor, hailed by Dr. Su Yizhen as the most promising biomedical molecule in the 21st century. Cryptomonadellis contains all 3 isoforms of PPARs: PPAR alpha, beta, and gamma. PPARs alpha helps with the liver, kidney, heart, and bones. PPARs beta helps with the skin, bones, and muscles. PPARs gamma helps with the lipid, colon, and other organs. All 3 isoforms of PPAR help in the blood system and immune system. The isoforms of alpha, beta, and gamma PPARs can potentially enliven metabolism, glucose homeostasis, immunoregulation, cellular development and differentiation, or cancer. It has also shown major breakthroughs in the treatment of metabolic syndromes like diabetes mellitus, obesity, hypertension, and cardiovascular diseases like stroke and myocardial infarctions. CGF. Cryptomonadellis contains CGF, or chlorella growth factor, which is found in the nucleic acid of the Cryptomonadellis. CGF is produced during the intense photosynthesis that allows Cryptomonadellis to grow rapidly, multiplying into 4 new cells every 12 hours. CGF has positive effects in regulating human physiological functions, improving overall health. Phycocyanin. Phycocyanin is a protein with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. A research done by Cheng Kung University confirmed its ability to inhibit the infection of enteroviruses and influenza. It also works well in the treatment of inflammation. Chlorophyll. Cryptomonadellis contains 4% chlorophyll and as much as 4.2 times more chlorophyll than ordinary vegetables. Chlorophyll helps with the production of new blood cells, blood cleansing, and detoxification. The alkaline nature of Cryptomonadellis will help rebalance the pH levels in our body. Cryptomonadellis is the world's most nutritionally complete food, critical for optimal health. With such a nutritional profile, it is no surprise that Cryptomonadellis facilitates the body to heal itself. And because Cryptomonadellis is a food, it is safe with no side effects and is suitable for all ages. We invite you to join us in the movement for health, to rid society of all the chronic illnesses of the 21st century through Simply Nature Science.